my top stick-free pan to live leaner, stronger, longer, and a heck of a lot better. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. So when it comes to having a Dadbod-free kitchen, I am a big believer in having the right tools at hand. And for me, stick-free cookware is an absolute must because I am not a fan of adding a bunch of oils in my cooking, having to soak things overnight, or scrub them hard afterwards. But there are a lot of crappy stick-free pans out there, from cheap dollar store Teflon pans like I would use in my 20s to really expensive high-end pots and pans that promise a lot and underdeliver. And yes, I'm pointing at you, Chef Ramsay. But for Christmas of 2022, I really wanted to try out the Always pan by Our Place. Now, personally, I love the red one here as it makes a great signature piece. But I also love the fact that it comes with a wooden spatula, a steamer basket, is shallow enough to fry, but also deep enough for stews, fried rice, things like that. And you can even bake with it in the oven. But for me, most importantly, its non-stick ceramic coating is made without any potentially toxic materials like PFAS, lead, cadmium. And today, just to be up to date, I checked their site and apparently now comes in 3 sizes, not just the one I got. So am I happy with it? That is a hell yes. And I suggest if you're looking for a great quality, toxic-free cooking pan that basically does the job of 4 to 5 pans, then make sure you check it out. And of course, follow me, Ditch Your Dadbod.